How to delete a Netflix profile. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can delete a Netflix profile, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Well, if you actually want to delete your Netflix profile, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Netflix application, and here you can see a couple of profiles that you might be logged in with. So you can tap on the edit button from the top right hand side of the screen, and here you will find all these profiles. So select the profile that you want to delete here. Simply scroll down here and you'll find this little option that says delete profile. So tap on the delete profile option, then tap on the delete option to be able to delete your profile. This way you'll be able to delete profiles on Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.